Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a pending transaction on Zelle. So let's get started. So to cancel that, you have to follow this easy step. Then you have to go here, then search for the Zelle. Go to Zelle, and from here you can go into your support, and from there you can ask here like contact us. From there you can ask for the cancel or the pending payment, and it will be like proceed. So by this way you can cancel it. From here contact support and it will be done. So this is how to cancel pending transaction on Zelle. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.